For readers of novels in which the denouement is drawn out, you don't have to really know this word, but you can infer based on the sentence that we're dealing with the end of this novel. Every loose plot neatly wrapped up. So this is the ending, in which the ending is drawn out. So these really long endings, all the various little stories are told and neatly ended. Compared to this, we have the short story. It often has a blank feel, at least for readers of novels. And this contrast is very subtle. But the idea is, again, for people who are used to one thing, when they see this other thing, they see it, in or feel about it a certain way that's different. And then, of course, what's the different about it? Well, it doesn't have this long, drawn-out ending. So therefore, does it have a meandering feel? It doesn't get to the point. Well, something is long and drawn out. In a way, it is meandering. So we want something that's really the opposite of meandering, something that is along the lines of a short story often feels like it just ends suddenly. Interminable, again, is the opposite of that. It just keeps going and going. That might describe the novel, but definitely not the short story. Understated, this is a good trap because you think of under and stating, you state something in words. So if you understate something, you don't say as much of it. So definitely a good trap. It's kind of a vocab thing here because understated is slightly different than that. To have an understated manner is a way that is subtle. You're not trying to draw attention to yourself. I mean, the opposite of this would be something like loud and brash, not interminable or meandering or going on and on. So let's look at D. The short story often has an unfinished feel to it. It ends abruptly, unlike the novel that keeps going and going and making sure everything has a very finished, neatly wrapped up feel to it. Short stories, the opposite. So that is our answer. E, retrospective, just means looking back at the past, and that doesn't really fit this context.